In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat with Facebook, a straightforward process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Manychat is a powerful tool that enhances your interactions on Facebook by automating your messaging system. So if you're ready to streamline your communication with customers or followers, let's dive right in. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Manychat's website. In the upper right hand corner, you'll find the Sign In option. Click on it and you'll see an option to sign in with Facebook. This is a convenient feature that connects Manychat directly with your Facebook account, streamlining the process moving forward. Once you've clicked on Sign In with Facebook, and assuming you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Manychat homepage. This is the central hub from which you'll manage all your automated messaging tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as you'll be returning here often. From the Manychat homepage, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side and navigate to the Home tab. Clicking on this will open up more detailed menu options, essential for the next steps. Look for the Settings option within this menu and give it a click. Settings is where you'll adjust various preferences to better suit your needs. With the Settings page open, you'll see several options. What you want is Channels. Click on it. Channels are crucial because this is where you'll connect Manychat with your Facebook Messenger. Once you're in Channels, click on the option labeled Messenger. This step connects Manychat to your Facebook Messenger account, allowing you to manage and automate responses and interactions. Now let's focus on the welcome message, a key feature of Manychat that sets the tone for your automated conversations. While still under the Messenger settings, locate and click on Welcome Message. This is where you'll craft the first impression for anyone reaching out to your page. A well thought out welcome message can greatly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Next, you'll want to start creating content for your welcome message. Click on Create New Reply, where you'll be able to customize the automated message users will receive upon contacting you for the first time via Messenger. Spend some time here to craft a personalized, engaging message that not only represents your brand well, but also invites users to engage further. And there you have it, a seamless integration of Manychat with Facebook Messenger. By following these steps, you've set up an efficient communication channel that ensures timely and effective interactions with your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you harness the power of Manychat for your Facebook communications. Thanks for watching.